Welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this video we are going to create this. First we have to create a new composition, then rename it as text. I am using the same 1920 into 1080 resolution, 30 frames per second. Our project duration is 6 seconds. Make the composition transparent. Now create a new text layer. And then enter your text. Now select the text layer and place it at the center. And then press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Now place the text in the next position and enter your second text and select the text layer and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Now select all text layers. Then place it at the center. Now the time to import our project files. You can download it from the link in the description. Now place the concrete texture below all layers. Now change the track matte value to alpha matte. Now go to Effects and Preset panel and search for brightness and contrast. Apply it onto the layer. Now change the brightness value to 100 and contrast value to 39. Now go to Effects and Preset panel and search for Photo Filter. Apply it onto the same concrete layer. Now change the filter to Cooling Filter 80. Now select the both effects and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Select the second concrete layer and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Now select the top layer and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Now place the scratches layer above all layers. Then change the blending mode to Stencil Luma. Now scale it properly. Now zoom in the timeline. Now change the start value of below text layer to 1 frames and second text layer to 6 frames. And the top text layer to 14 frames. Now create a new composition, then rename it as title. I'm using the same 1920 into 1080 resolution, 30 frames per second and 6 seconds. Now turn off the transparency and place the background layer in the timeline, and then right click on it, transform, fit to comp. Now go to effects and preset panel and search for brightness and contrast. Apply it onto the background layer. Now change the brightness value to -27. Now place the text comp above the background layer. And then scale it properly. Now place the blood texture above all layers. Now go to effects and preset panel and search for change to color. Apply it onto the layer and then search for box blur effect. Apply it onto the same layer. Now change the two color to red color and change value to hue, lightness and saturation. Now change the blur radius to 3 and iteration value to 3. Now select all layers and make them 3D. Now select the blood texture layer and press P for position. Now change the X value to 1720.4. and Y value to 935.7. and Z value to -66. and press R for rotation and change the Z rotation value to 22. Now scale the texture layer properly. Now select the layer and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Place it at the another end and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it again. Place it at the top. Now duplicate it again and place it at the another top. Now create a new camera. Change the zoom value to 940.68 and angle of view to 39.60 degree. Sure, you are in the first frame. Now zoom in the timeline. Now press P for camera position and then add a keyframe Then go to 5 frame position. Now change the Z position value to minus 2648.5. Now go to 6 frames position. And change the Y value to 560. And Z value to minus 2644.9. Now go to 7 frames position. And change the Y value to 540. And Z value to minus 2638.5. Now go to 13 frames position and change the Z value to 2619.4. Now go to 14 frames position and change the Z value to minus 2334.9. Now go to 5 seconds 5 frame position. And change the Z value to minus 1743.7. Now select the all blend texture layer. Then pre-compose it. Then rename it as blood. Make them 3D. Now zoom in the timeline and change the blood texture layer starting value to 14 frames. Now our animation is completed. Now place the background music. You can download this template from the link in the description. Subscribe for more animation videos.